Unwinding the Wheel, Unpacking an Age-Old Saying. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very popular phrase, reinvent the wheel. Stick around to discover not just what it means but how you can use it in your everyday conversations and writing. Let's get rolling. The phrase, reinvent the wheel, is an idiomatic expression used to describe the process of spending time and effort creating something that already exists. It implies that the effort is unnecessary and redundant because an effective solution or method already exists. The wheel, being one of the oldest and most fundamental inventions in human history, serves as the perfect metaphor for something that does not need improvement or replacement. While the exact origin of this phrase is difficult to pinpoint, it's clear that it draws on the universal recognition of the wheel as a fundamental invention that significantly advanced human progress. The expression likely became popular in English-speaking countries during the 20th century, as it emphasizes efficiency and innovation, two values highly regarded in modern society. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. In a workplace context, we don't need to reinvent the wheel. Let's use the existing process to solve this issue. In technology and innovation, while developing new software, it's important not to waste time reinventing the wheel unless we can truly offer a better solution. In everyday conversation, why try to reinvent the wheel when you can just follow the recipe as it is? It's important to note that there are times when innovation and creating new solutions are necessary. The phrase should not discourage creativity or the pursuit of better alternatives when existing solutions are flawed or can be significantly improved. We hope this exploration of the phrase, reinvent the wheel, has been enlightening. Remember, while it's essential to value efficiency and avoid unnecessary work, it's also crucial to recognize when innovation is needed. Thanks for watching, and we hope you feel more confident using this phrase in your English conversations and writings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. See you in the next video.